Welcome to know about ClickFunnels Backpack. ClickFunnels Backpack Review. What is ClickFunnels Backpack and why do you need it? ClickFunnels Backpack for Affiliate Management is a software online entrepreneurs can use in creating their affiliate program with ease. If you've been wondering what might be the fastest way for generating more revenue for your business without spending huge sum of dollars on advertisement, ClickFunnels Backpack can help you achieve that. But how? We'll find out soon. In this backpack review I shall give my personal opinion on this affiliate management system, and also go in depth into explaining the following. What is ClickFunnels Backpack? Why do you need Backpack? Features of ClickFunnels Backpack. An inside look, how to use Backpack? Backpack pricing, save more, why Backpack differs? Conclusion, what is ClickFunnels Backpack? Backpack is an affiliate management system that is built directly in ClickFunnels. It is not available with the basic $97 per mo package but unlocked when you upgrade to the $297 per month Edison plan or a more advanced plan, which I will talk about. More about that soon. ClickFunnels Backpack. Just like Actionetics, this application is exclusively available in ClickFunnels. Backpack allows you to scale your business even while asleep. With Backpack Affiliate Management System you'll have full functionality of setting up affiliate program for your business, creating commission plans for your affiliate partners, integrate your affiliate program with your sales funnels, review commissions and manage affiliate payments. One interesting part about this ClickFunnels inbuilt functionality is that setting up all these requires no or little technical skills. Why do you need Backpack? If you're a business owner who either uses a sales funnel in converting cold prospects to hot buyers, or maybe you need to deliver your contents to premium individuals through membership site in ClickFunnels. Click the link below this video for more updates. There is always an extent to which you might probably run out of budget or you'd be in need of resources and skills for driving traffic to your offers. Don't forget that your ultimate goal is to always make your customers happy so they'll keep coming back to you. And that can't be achieved if you don't serve them better. That's why you need affiliate partners to take care of your overall marketing activities. All you have to do is pay out commissions for every customer or lead they bring. That way, you focus complete energy on making your products and services more than that of your competitors. This is where the services of Backpack come in. Thanks for watching this video.